Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to use Google Maps Street View on computer and phone. So, let's dive right in. Using Street View on computer, head over to your favorite web browser and open Google Maps, maps.google.com. Search for a specific place by name or zoom in on the area you're interested in. Look around the map for a tiny orange pegman icon. This indicates areas where Street View is available. Drag and drop the pegman icon onto a blue highlighted street. The screen will transition to Street View mode. Click and drag your mouse to move around in the 360-degree view. Look for the Back to Map window in the bottom left corner. Click on the blue highlighted routes to jump to connecting streets. When you're done exploring, click the back arrow in the top left corner to return to the regular map view. Using Street View on phone, grab your phone and launch the Google Maps app. Search for a place by name or tap and hold on a spot on the map to drop a pin. Look for the small Street View image or icon that appears next to the dropped pin. Tap on that to start exploring. Swipe your finger across the screen to move around in the 360-degree view. Tap the back arrow in the top left corner to return to the regular map view. And that's it! With these simple steps, you can use Google Maps Street View to virtually explore any corner of the globe. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!